Hey everyone, I'm Swolecat. As you can see, I'm a VTuber. I've been getting a couple questions lately as to what my setup is, so I thought I'd take a quick rundown of how I do things. First, let's talk about software.
If you can smash something with a hammer, it's hardware. But if you can only swear at it in futility, it's software.
I used to use 3Teen, but now I've switched to VC Face. I've done this for a couple of reasons. First, the tracking is just better in VC Face. Second, VC Face receives more frequent updates. And third, you don't have to have it have focus for keyboard shortcuts to work. On the left, you can see me doing random things in 3Teen, and on the right is VC Face. You'll notice that the resolution in VC Face is a lot higher since it always renders at 1080p, where 3Teen only renders at 1600 by 900. You also have to chroma key to get rid of the background in 3Teen, which is annoying. Overall, considering that they're both 3, I'll take VC Face any day of the week. Let's talk a little bit about hardware. From the VC Face FAQ, you can see that you really only need a camera that has 1080p and 30 FPS. However, if you get a wider FOV, you can move around more as it can pick up your face from further away. One thing that I think VTubers tend to ignore is lighting. VC Face or any other VTubing software will be able to track your face a lot better if it can see your face clearly and there's not extra noise all over the place. My advice is to buy a cheap ring light and then follow someone else's guide to getting the best quality out of your camera as possible. That being said, it's also highly beneficial to have a webcam like a Logitech that has software where you can tweak the picture because you can't really do that stuff in VC Face. Hands. Probably one of the best upgrade I made was to get a Leap Motion so that I could have hand movement. How I wear the Leap Motion is this. I have a really cheap GoPro chest rig that I wear, and then I have a 3D printed part that clips into it, and then I slide the Leap Motion in from the side. I'm working on getting a merch store set up so I can sell these things, but if you are really interested in trying something out, email me and I'm sure we'll get something figured out. The settings for the Leap Motion are pretty straightforward, so I won't go in depth. The most important thing is to be in the head-mounted mode instead of the up-facing one, because it's in front of you and not on the desk. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to stop by my Twitch stream. I stream every night at least 11:30 p.m. CST at twitch.tv/swolecat with a K. I will see you later. Goodbye.